What's up guys, Francis here. The best part about drop shipping is that you can actually sell and make money without keeping inventory, seeing or touching the product. All right, all you have to do is to list a product on your store, then get people to see the product. Then when they order the product, you actually get your supplier or your manufacturer to ship the product to the customer. That's the beauty of drop shipping, and it works effectively well. Now, due to the current pandemic happening globally, a lot of people think drop shipping is dead and you can't actually ship from China and all those stuff, which is not completely true, because today my friend from South Africa, Jay, from the channel called Millionaire Mindset, is actually going to be sharing how this amazing strategy he's using to make money every single day with drop shipping. So Jay is from the channel called Millionaire Mindset and is currently sharing different ways to make money online. Okay, I want you guys to go check out Jay's channel because he's currently posting on a consistent basis and sharing different strategies he's currently using to make money, and strategies you can also use to make money for yourself as well. Now he's growing an amazing business on YouTube right here, and you can see he's posting every single day. I'm going to link Jay's YouTube channel in the description of this video. I want you guys to go check him out. Now in this video, Jay is going to be sharing with us how he's currently making money even with the current pandemic happening globally. And this amazing strategy is something that when you apply it, okay, you can actually see good results from it. Okay, so let's give it up for Jay.
What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? This video I'm filming right now on the 4th of April 2020, and I say that because dropshipping obviously from China to the United States right now, as of the situation now, is pretty much next to impossible. But in this video, I'm going to give you some insights on how you can actually find UK and US reliable suppliers during the current situation and still build a dropshipping business. And on top of this, I'm going to take you through live how I got some good sales using the top 10 winning products from these reliable suppliers that I'm going to show you in this video, and how I built a dropship business in a day and made a couple of sales. I'm going to show you my live dashboard, how I got these sales, what exactly I promoted, how to connect it to your store, which is all going to be super valuable for people wanting to get into dropshipping now, or anybody that wants to work from home and anybody that wants to build a sustainable income online. So obviously the biggest problem in the world at the moment is the slowdown process in shipping and delivery times, because borders have been closed by certain countries because of what's happening in the world. There's less flights, there's less shipping. The whole process is just slowed down, and it's pretty much impossible to deliver from China to US and UK right now. So I'm going to show you a couple of platforms how we can find winning products through US and UK local and reliable suppliers. And for those of you that are currently dropshipping, the whole situation right now does certainly not mean the end of dropshipping. I mean, there's been so much hype about it on YouTube, dropshipping videos, what's going to happen with the whole situation. I certainly believe there's a couple of things you can do, such as a workaround that I'm going to show you in this video. And I'd say that the solution that I'm going to provide in this video is pretty much next to perfect. But the only issue that we might have is that not every single product on Aliexpress delivers via US or in the US. But I'm going to show you another platform where you can also identify winning products that are delivered in the US locally and in the UK locally. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to Aliexpress, which is one of the biggest e-com stores in the world that a lot of people dropship off. So I had 1 or 2 products in mind that I also got influence off a couple of other channels, such as Biez's channel, who's probably the king of dropshipping right now. And I've been inspired by a lot of his content and his ideas, which has led to some of my success in dropshipping. And I'm basically documenting that journey right here, so you guys can also get some insights and learn a lot from it. So on AliExpress, the product that I got influenced by and that I've been trying to sell with this whole issue that's happening around the world at the moment, and working a way around this, because a lot of people are at home. There's a lot of parents at home with kids, so I thought of targeting the kids and kids toys niche, which is something that I think is really a winning product right now. I'm going to take you through a couple of categories as well that are really good winning products. So I'm going to search, I found this one product, or I saw this one product. It's like a baby bottle spoon, which is like a 2-in-1 baby kind of bottle built in with a spoon. So it looks like a bottle like this, but it has a little spoon at the top, so you can basically drink, and you can select this picture here and feed off it at the same time, which is a very innovative product that seems to be selling really well right now. So what you can actually do is you can actually click on the drop down over here, and you can actually filter this by the United States, deliver from the United States. So all of these products right here are already stock in the United States that you can drop ship in the United States. So for example, let's say I choose this product going right here, 238 to 493. I can actually click from ship from United States, and delivery time is literally 4 to 7 days, which is really good. I mean, that's now, if you think about it, with the current situation. And if I go ship from China, you'll see right now estimated deliveries only on the 5th of the 6th, which is an entire month from now, which is not really going to work. You're going to get a lot of unhappy customers. But if you filter by the United States, you can actually find a ton of products on Aliexpress that you can dropship from the United States already, like this one here that has a delivery time of only 4 to 7 days. And then secondly, quickly before I'm going to build my store with this product, a second tool that I want to show you guys that is really valuable is something called Sparkit.co, which is a dropshipping supplier of original and US and European products, which you could also use for local dropshipping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my account, show you 1 or 2 products and how this tool works so you can get some insight. So again, on my dashboard, I can select a supplier or the location, ships from United States. You can choose United Kingdom, in this case United States, and you can select United States or wherever you want to drop ship to. So I'm going to go from United States to United States. I'm going to filter this, and yeah, you can find a ton of products that drop ships locally from the United States. So again, if I search something like baby bottle spoon, let's see what we can find on Sparkit.co. Here is the exact same product for $2.45, shipping price at $4.08. So this is something that you could go and resell at $19.99. Shipping time is 8 to 14 days, which is a little bit slower, but it's not ridiculously slow, unlike an entire month from something like China, which probably will even be a lot longer than a month. So these are some amazing tools offered by Aliexpress, the filter feature by USA, and then Sparkit.co. And then quickly before we build our store, just a couple of winning categories that you can go and find products in using the strategies or the filter strategies that I've showed you now is products for the elderly, soaps, bath salts, skin products for old wrinkly skin is something that's selling well, air humidifying products, hygiene, pet products, kids products, gardening products, house supplies, health and well-being, gaming and entertainment kind of products such as perhaps headsets, tech, health and well-being, soaps, washing, anything that's got to do with hygiene, house supplies, equipment, gardening products, because a lot of people are obviously at home right now. Kids and parents are at home. Pet products, pets are obviously at home with their families 24/7, with everybody being at home. So I'm going to make use of this tool called DropAFight.com, which basically automatically adds products from AliExpress and eBay to your Shopify or WooCommerce store. So what I've done is I've installed a brand new install of WooCommerce, which is a e-commerce platform that I am more familiar with. I know a lot of people mostly use Shopify for dropshipping. I'm just more of an expert with WooCommerce. It's what I've been using for the past 5 years. I do have a Shopify account as well, but for this purposes, I wanted to try out WooCommerce to see if there's perhaps a difference, if it will make a difference in results. So that's what I'm going to try, and you'll see right here on DropAFight is the Chrome extension you can add to Chrome. So you can go to Google, type in DropAFight extension, connect your account, you can log in, you can try the 14-day free trial, and then from DropAFight you can connect your store. You can see right here I've got my WooCommerce store, and I can literally come over to this bottle product on AliExpress. I can click on the drop down list, I can click on my store, and I can send it to my store just like this with the click of a button, and I'll take you now to my dashboard. And once it's added from your DropAFight tool, I can refresh in my products page on my WooCommerce dashboard to view the product that is now loaded, the hot newborn baby squeezing feeding bottle, which is the same thing that I've loaded from AliExpress. This product right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this product up in a new tab, so that we can see what the landing page looks like, because it's already been made for us with using the DropAFight tool. It's added all the pictures, it's added the title, the stock, and it's also giving you the entire description with all the pictures on my store. I've got everything I need, except the only thing I changed was my price. So I went to my product and I edited it and I made it $15.99 because that's my markup. And when people place an order on the store, it will automatically go through to AliExpress with the DropAFight tool that I've got right here. And what you can also do is you'll see on your WooCommerce or Shopify page, you've got a review section where you can literally import the reviews of AliExpress products onto your WooCommerce or Shopify page, just to make your product seem more organic as possible. And there's nothing unethical about that, because it is the legit reviews of this exact product. So what I've done is I found a couple of mom Instagram pages on Instagram, and I'm going to DM a whole bunch of them. I'm not going to reveal all of their names because I also don't want all of them to get spammed with messages and that kind of thing. But I mean, I'm going to see what else, how much they can charge for shoutouts. I want to do like a 24-hour shoutout on like perhaps a post, a link in the bio, or a swipe up feature on their story to try and get some sales, to try and get some people to the store, to hopefully see how many sales I can get. And I messaged a total of about 6 of these accounts, and only 2 of them can post tomorrow, but I was hoping to try this out this evening, get a post up now to see how many sales I can get, because I'd like this video to go up tonight. And only 1 of them can post right now. So I'm going to pay them $50 for a shout out. They have a page with over 80,000 followers. I'm going to try shout out and see what I can do and see how many sales I can get with a story shout out on their page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly process this order, send them the picture that I want to send them, and then obviously the link, so they can have a link in their bio. And then I'll come back in about an hour or so, see how many sales I've been getting, and this story will basically be up for 24 hours. What's good, guys? I'm now back about a couple of hours later. We're now at nighttime at about 6:30 on, I don't know if you can see that, on April the 4th. So I've been chilling for about 2 to 3 hours since I was recording earlier, just to hopefully try and get some sales in. And I do have some good news, but I also have some bad news. The good news being we got sales. The bad news being it wasn't a ton of sales. It was just a little bit of income, because remember, we did have some expenses as well. So if I come over to my revenue tab, I currently got, or let me come to my WooCommerce dashboard. I got a total of 7 orders and a gross revenue of about $127, which was not bad. And just to show you guys that this is my live dashboard, if I filter by today and click on update, so this page refreshes. I'm just waiting for this to load. Internet's been a bit slow lately. You can see right here, again, 127.92. I'll just reload this page again just to show you these are my live sales. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the actual exact items that were sold, so that you can actually see that it was the baby bottle product. On this tab here, you can click on items sold, and if I scroll down over here, you can see today's sales. On 2 p.m. I had 7 sales, and then at 3 p.m. I had 1 sale. Right over here I had the hot newborn baby squeezing feeding bottle. Items sold at 6, net revenue of $127.92. But remember, not all of that is net. So if I worked out the total profit for you guys, we go $127.92 minus the $30, which is what the shout out cost. So we're already on 97 profit. And then the expense for the product was a total of $493. So if I go 7 of my orders times 4.93, that's $34 expense. So if I minus $34 from this, we made a total profit of about $63.92, drop shipping in only about 2 hours. Even regardless of today's world, I mean, I literally spent $30 on one shout out to get 100% return, which is an amazing investment considering the situation around the world today. So I've literally just shown you guys that dropshipping is still possible. There's ways to work around it and still succeed at it. So for those of you who think dropshipping is dead, for that dropshipping doesn't work, it does. I just showed you sales that we can still get sales using United States and UK suppliers. But guys, because you guys are so awesome, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a $20 giveaway right now. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to come over to my podcast channel that I started 3 days ago. I'm posting every single day on my podcast channel. And on the latest video, how to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube, I want you to go subscribe to this channel with the bell on, leave a like on this video, comment down below that you've done so with some super valuable quote, with a quote that you really like. And then what I'll do is in the next video that I'm going to post tonight, that you'll see tomorrow morning, I'm going to announce the winner through a lucky comments, a random comment picker, and you can win $20. But the best thing about this channel, every single video, I'm having at least a $10 giveaway. So if you want to win constant money on this channel, make sure to go subscribe to this channel, and that you can win a chance of entering. Plus, I'm also delivering very valuable content on this channel, such as top winning products during the situation now, and how to get YouTube subscribers, and the challenge of make $100,000 in a year on this channel. So make sure to go check this out, enter that giveaway, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.